Hello po. Andito naman po ako for your daily message po. What the universe wants you to know po. Gamitin nyo lang po itong gabay na mensahe po sa araw-araw nyo po na hindi kayo mawawala ng pag-asa, to motivate you po, that faith and hope is not lost yet. Okay? Ito yung mensahe na gustong ipahayag sa Diyos, sa Divine Universe, na may pag-asa pa. Okay? Hindi huli ang lahat. Okay. Yung message for today. Isa lang kunin natin. Okay. Meron tayo. Oh, that's nice. Gentleness is a path of peace. The Lord is my shepherd. I have all that I need. Psalm chapter 23 verses 1 to 3. Hinay-hinay lang po kayo. Be gentle lang po kayo sa sarili nyo, sa sitwasyon nyo po, okay? Para hindi po kayo nag-rush. Para yung, kasi pag mag-gentle po kayo, that's where you think, yung parang relax ka. Oh, 'di ba? Ito yung mensahe po. So, hinay-hinay lang po kayo. Be gentle, be kind to yourself as well. Okay? Look after your well-being. I hope you enjoyed this reading. If so, don't forget to comment down below if you can resonate. Don't forget also to like and help me build up back my channel again. Thanks everyone. I'll see you in my next reading. Bye for now.